second part of this chapter. And through this video, we will do some exercise of this chapter. So let's start the class. Page number 152 and 153. Question number 1. Question number 1 is draw the read each clock, and write the time. First, second, third. So you can see that I have drawn three different clock on the board, and first read each clock and write the time according to this clock. Now come to the first clock. You can see that longer hand of this clock is on where? On 12, and smaller hand of this clock is on 5. So what is the time? Has be 5 of clock. Okay, now come to the second one. Second one is smaller hand, or our hand is on 7, and longer hand is on 3. It means what is the time? We can write 7:50. When we want to write this time in word, we can write 15 minutes past 7. In another sentence, we can write one quarter, quarter past 7. You can see that in second clock, I have retained this time which is showing this clock in two different sentences. Now come to the third one. According to this clock is showing the time what? 9:30. 9:30. In another sentence, in what we can write 30 minutes past 9. Or in another sentence, or one more sentence, in one more sentence, we can write half past 9. Okay. So this is the first question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is draw the hour hand and minute hand on the clock to show the event time. The second question, draw the hour hand and minute hand on the clock to show the event time. 8 o'clock. Second question is quarter past 5. Question number 3. Question number 3, half past 8. Question number 4, quarter to 3. Quarter to 3. So you can see that I have written 4 different questions on the board, and according to this question, I am going to draw 4 different clock. 4 question number 1. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11. Second, 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. First question is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, to show this time on this given clock, we will have to draw two hands. One smaller hand, the second one is will on 12 and smaller hand or R hand will on 8. So this is the first question. This is a R hand, this is a minute hand. Okay, minute hand completed. First question. Now come to the second question. Quarter past 5. Quarter past 5 means what? Suppose that this is circle. Okay, and with the help of two diameter, we can divide this whole circle in four equal parts. First one, when we draw vertically means from bottom to top to bottom or bottom to top. And one more diameter we will draw inside this circle to divide this circle in two more equal halves from left to right or from right to left. This is easy for us when we draw this one more diameter from left to right. You can see that with the help of these two diameters we can divide this whole circle in four equal parts. That's why I have written quarter past 5. Already I taught in previous chapter. Half of the half is called what? Quarter. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. After drawing this two diameter, this whole circle divided in four equal parts. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is quarter past 5. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Quarter. Quarter means half of the half. So in question number 2, longer hand or minute hand is on 3 and smaller hand or R hand is on 5. So this 8 o'clock, second is 15 minutes past or 5:15. Okay, now come to the question number 3, half past 10. Half past. To show this time on this clock, we will draw two hands. Smaller hand will on between 9 and 10. Between 9 and 10. Cross 9 and partially it is on 10. And the second one, smaller hand is on between where? Between 9 and 10, and the longer hand or minute hand will on 6. So what? 10, 30 minutes past 9. 30 minutes past 9. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Question number 4 is quarter to 3. Quarter to 3 means what? 2:45. To show this start time on this clock, we will draw a smaller hand nearest to 3 and minute hand will on where will on 9. Okay. And we can write to 45 to 45 minutes. It means 45 minutes past 2. We can write this 45 minutes past 2 quarter to 3. So in this video we have learned two different exercises or two different questions of this chapter. Thank you.